My wristwatch is broken, my shoes are untied, time is a-ticking, and so is the tide.
Hey, good morning guys. It is Thursday, April 25th, 2019. Welcome to the Trucker John Show. Glad you can be here. We're in Batavia, New York this morning. Just getting ready to pull around to the dock and see if we can get unloaded. Alright guys, we just got unloaded and pulled out of the dock here. Getting the trailer ready to head on down the road. I think what I'm going to do is walk over here to this Walmart that's right next door. And need some windshield washer fluid. Yeah, washer fluid tank is empty. Oh, look at that. That's a bird's egg on the back of the trailer. It must have been in the dock. They must have a nest above the dock where I was just in, and maybe up in that rubber padding that's up there around the dock. They probably got a nest, and when I pulled out, or in, whatever, the egg must have fell down. Wow. Not a good place to make a nest. That chick ain't gonna make it. Oh boy. Alright, so we got it delivered to Oneonta tomorrow. And well, we should be up in Oneonta tonight by midnight anyway. And then just deliver and just go right on home from there. Alright, I just got to get back out and check the pins because the pins didn't lock in. I had to move the trailer a little bit. I checked them pins, and I'm going to walk over to Walmart, and then we'll take off. Okay, see you in a little bit. Alright guys, I'm gonna get my stuff together. Alrighty. We got pants, we got drawers, we got socks and a shirt. That's what we need. All right, let's go get a shower. truck stop here. Had me a nice shower. Been here about an hour. It's now 5 o'clock in the afternoon. We won't be in Brenningsville till about 9:20. Somewhere's right around there. Back on the interstate here and head south. Well, it sure is nice to get a shower. I didn't get one yesterday. I had too far to go and I knew I was too tired to stop, so got on. I had to do what I had to do. So no shower yesterday. Got one today though. Yeah, I'll turn you around here. It looks like it's supposed to be raining down south. I can see just on the horizon there is some pretty dark clouds. So wouldn't surprise me if we run into some rain here in the next 30 minutes or so. Yeah, I just saw some fluid underneath my truck. It wasn't fuel and it wasn't coolant. Looking at it closer, and it was green. I was thinking, well, I just put a gallon of the Rain-X bug removing windshield washer fluid in there, and it's green. Because my extended life coolant is red or pink or whatever you want to call it. My windshield washer tank is leaking. Looks like it's the pump leaking. Looks like the pump just pushes into it with a rubber seal. Hopefully I can just buy another pump and stick it in there. Hopefully we'll have to call Kenworth and find out. Midnight tonight. Might be able to stop in and get it tonight. We'll have to see. Alright, so we got 4 hours down to Brenningsville. We ought to be able to do it in 4 hours. We will talk to you later.
My wristwatch is broken, my shoes are untied. Time is a-ticking, and so is the tide. But I am not worried, things are what they are. Come rain or come shine or a shooting star. I've been to the south, I've been to the north, east and the west, the middle of course. I may have been astray, but I've never been lost, never been beat by the road I've crossed. I guess I've been lucky to some degree, for someone who ate all the fruit from the tree. The stars been aligned and my goose hanging high. I'll be okay in the sweet by and by. I was born at morning on the first day of June, 1900 and something and two. My mom was a sweetheart, my father was too. They left me a watch and an old pair guess I've been lucky to some degree. For someone who ate all the fruit from the tree. Stars been aligned and my goose hanging high. I'll be okay in the sweet by and by. I'll be okay in the sweet by and by.
Hey guys, we just got here to Brenningsville, so I'm going to do a quick drop and hook, and it's like 9:30, it's almost 9:30, so if I can make it up to Scranton where the Kenworth dealer is by midnight, I'm going to stop and pick up a new window washer pump for the window washer fluid. We'll see. Okay guys, got a little bit of a problem here. The load is not ready. They're having some kind of issue closing the loads out. I couldn't really get a good answer out of them. I think the load's loaded and they're having a problem with the computer doing paperwork or something. I'm not sure what it is, but told me it's definitely not going to be ready tonight, so I got to check back in the morning, probably about 7:30. My delivery window is 11 to 1, and we got about a 3.5 hour ride. So we should be able to, if we can get out of here by 8:30, we should be able to get into Oneonta by noon. Hopefully. I guess I ain't stopping for my window washer pump. I'll have to do that next week. Okay, so I guess what I'm going to do is just go find a place to park right nearby. Can't stay in here, so take my 10-hour break. So anyway, thanks for watching the Trucker John Show. Glad you could be here. Give me that thumbs up, leave me a comment, and please subscribe to the channel. And we will see you again tomorrow. Take care, everybody.
My wristwatch is broken, my shoes are untied. Time is a-ticking, and so is the tide. But I am not worrying, things are what they are. Come rain or come shine or a shooting star.